Welcome to our roundup of the best laser engraver options. Whether you're a hobbyist, a small business owner, or a DIY enthusiast, the right laser engraver can open up endless creative possibilities. From engraving wood and leather to cutting acrylic and metal-coated materials, these machines are designed to deliver precision, speed, and versatility. In this video, we have selected some of the top laser engravers that combine reliable performance, smart features, and user-friendly operation. We will break down important details like laser power, engraving speed, build quality, work area, and safety features to help you choose the perfect machine for your projects. Whether you want to personalize gifts or start a small engraving business, these options have you covered. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's get started and find the perfect laser engraver for you. The first on the list is the Acmer 7000 milliwatt laser engraver machine. The Acmer 7000 milliwatt model features a powerful 7000 milliwatt laser output, compact open frame design, and beginner-friendly assembly. Built for entry-level users and casual makers, this laser engraver focuses on simplicity and affordability while still delivering impressive results for light to medium projects. The 7000 milliwatt laser module is ideal for engraving wood, cardboard, leather, and certain plastics, and it can handle fin cutting tasks with careful speed adjustments. Its compact design makes it perfect for small workshops or home desks where space is limited. The frame is built from durable aluminum alloy, providing structural stability and minimizing vibration during operation, which directly improves engraving accuracy. Setup is straightforward, and the machine supports popular software platforms, making it beginner-friendly while still powerful enough for experienced users. The adjustable focus helps achieve crisp detail, and the built-in safety features, including emergency stop and protective shielding, add peace of mind during longer engraving sessions. Overall, the Acmer 7000 milliwatt laser cutter is a budget-friendly and beginner-accessible option that provides solid engraving quality without overwhelming new users with complex features. Next up is the Carverall 10W Laser Engraver 10W Laser Engraving Machine. The Carverall 10W stands out with its high-precision 10W laser module, large working area, and wide material compatibility. Designed for creators who want flexibility, this machine delivers strong engraving detail while still offering reliable cutting performance. The 10-watt laser module provides enough power to cut through thin wood sheets and acrylic while producing clean, sharp engravings on leather, bamboo, coated metal, and more. That balance between precision and cutting strength makes it a practical option for hobbyists stepping into small-scale production. One of its most appealing features is the generous working area, giving you more space to handle larger designs without constantly repositioning materials. This is especially helpful if you're creating wall art, signage, or batch products. The frame is built from durable aluminum alloy, providing structural stability and minimizing vibration during operation, which directly improves engraving accuracy. Setup is straightforward, and the machine supports popular software platforms, making it beginner-friendly while still powerful enough for experienced users. The adjustable focus helps achieve crisp detail, and the built-in safety features, including emergency stop and protective shielding, add peace of mind during longer engraving sessions. Overall, the Carverall 10W is a balanced choice for those who want strong engraving precision and solid cutting ability in a reasonably sized and capable unit. Next, we have the Woxer WXL2 Max 10W Enclosure Laser Cutter. The Woxer WXL2 Max offers a fully enclosed protective design, strong 10W laser power, and enhanced safety features. Unlike open-frame models, this machine comes with a protective enclosure that reduces smoke exposure and adds an extra layer of safety, making it more suitable for indoor use. The enclosed structure not only improves safety but also enhances stability during operation. With its 10W laser module, the L2 Max delivers both detailed engraving and efficient cutting performance. It can handle thicker wood panels compared to lower-powered units and produces clean edges on various materials. The precision motion system ensures smooth movement across the working area, resulting in sharp lines and consistent results even during longer jobs. The enclosure includes viewing panels that allow you to monitor progress without direct exposure to the laser beam. This makes it more beginner-friendly, especially for users concerned about safety. The machine also supports common engraving software and file formats, allowing seamless workflow integration. Another highlight is its solid build quality. The rigid frame reduces vibration and helps maintain alignment, which is crucial for achieving professional-grade results. While it is slightly larger and heavier than open-frame models, that added weight contributes to stability and durability. Overall, the Woxer WX-L2 Max is an excellent option for creators who want higher safety standards without sacrificing cutting capability. Next is the Creality Falcon A1 10W laser engraver. The Creality Falcon A1 features an advanced 10W laser module, high-speed engraving capability, and precision motion system. Known for manufacturing reliable 3D printers, Creality brings that same engineering experience into this laser engraver. The 10W laser is powerful enough for efficient cutting of wood and acrylic while delivering highly detailed engraving results on coated metals and other surfaces. That makes the Falcon A1 especially appealing is its high-speed engraving performance. It is designed to handle faster movement without compromising detail, which can significantly reduce production time for batch projects, making it attractive for small businesses and serious hobbyists who want both speed and accuracy. The precision motion system ensures smooth travel across axes, minimizing vibration and maintaining sharp engraving quality. Setup is simplified with a user-friendly design and clear calibration process. It also supports widely used design software, allowing creators to import complex designs with ease. Safety features include protective components and emergency stop functionality, helping users feel more secure during operation. The sturdy metal frame adds durability, making it suitable for long-term use. Overall, the Creality Falcon A1 offers professional-level engraving and cutting performance in a well-built and reliable machine. The last one on our list is the Longer Ray 5 Mini laser engraver. The Longer Ray 5 Mini stands out with its compact portable design, precision laser accuracy, and user-friendly operation. Despite its smaller footprint, this machine delivers impressive engraving detail and dependable cutting performance for light to medium materials. It is designed for creators who want a compact solution without sacrificing output quality. Its precise laser module allows for sharp engraving lines and clean cuts on wood, leather, paper, and select plastics. Its compact size makes it ideal for small desks, apartments, or mobile setups. It is easy to assemble and quick to start using, making it perfect for beginners who want a straightforward introduction to laser engraving. Overall, the Longer Ray 5 Mini is a fantastic compact laser engraver that balances precision, portability, and simplicity, making it an ideal choice for beginners and creators working in smaller spaces. If this guide helped you narrow down your choice, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more in-depth product roundups. All product links are waiting in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.